Hello viewer, how to fix Gemini auto sign out problem on your phone. If you are using long or complex prompt, Gemini may sign you out due to rate limitation or processing error. So try splitting your input into small parts to reduce the load of the system. Then follow the next step. Tap and hold on Gemini application. Go to App Info. Tap on Storage. Click on Clear Data. Now clear cache data. This action remove outdated or corrupted data that might be causing the sign out problem. If your Gemini application is not updated, please update your Gemini application from Google Play Store. So in this way, you can fix Gemini auto sign out problem on your phone.